And let's get a check on what's happening with the markets as they open up here this morning. Indeed, we're seeing that higher open. Our Jared Blikre has the numbers for us. Jared.
Yeah, let's take a look at the Wi-Fi Interactive because it's day two of a Nasdaq and tech-led rally. And just looking at the Nasdaq here, it was up over 3% yesterday, nearly 5% over the last 2 days. So nice price action early on. Also, Russell 2000 up even more than the Nasdaq. It was up over 2% yesterday. Now, inside, the mega caps, look at the screen, almost no red whatsoever. Mega caps faring nicely. Microsoft's up over 1%. Tesla up over 6%. Let's check out the two-day price action in Tesla. What a day yesterday, 26% over this time period. Not too bad. Also looking at PayPal, Zoom, Pinduoduo, Mercado Libre. So money flowing into those names, those big tech names that got beaten down very recently. Taking a look at the Dow, very similar picture here. We got Salesforce, that's up 1.6%. Looks like semiconductors faring well. So are financials. Now, on the report, and I'm going to go back to a chart in a second, on the report this morning, CPI, we saw stocks surge, we saw bond yields come down, dollar come down. So market anticipating that the Fed isn't going to be pressured by this one particular report. Now, here are the sectors we're looking at today. In the lead is consumer discretionary, led by Amazon, followed by financials, tech, and communication services. So banks outperforming today. They were kind of in the middle of the pack yesterday, still up, but not by as much as the other markets. And we can see here Wells Fargo and Morgan Stanley each up over 1%. So is Goldman Sachs by the day. And then let's take a look at our meme stocks because those have been in focus. We've GameStop here is up another 13%. And Palantir is up 5%. But we have a number of biotech names that are in focus. And just looking at the biggest winners and losers here, we got Cost Corporation in the upper left, that's up 52%, followed by Express following its earnings, that's up 23%. And then we got some smaller names. Looks like Eyes, Ears, which we were tracking yesterday, are in the red. Eyes down about 18% at the bottom of your screen, still holding on to some gains over 2 days, but just kind of shows you the fickle nature of these meme stocks. You can be up 100% one day and 50% down the next. Guys?
Jared, let's talk a little bit about the coins. Kind of in the background here, we've got Bitcoin really repairing itself. I think a record high. Maybe depends on exactly where you're getting it quoted, but certainly back above 55,000.
Yeah, I think we got to get to 58,000, but it's right there. And we did have a nice breakout a couple days ago. And in the rearview mirror, these things always look obvious, but there we go. And that's very similar to the same breakout pattern we saw in January, which we can see if we go to a year-to-date basis. Just draw this in one more time. So Bitcoin, really nice rally here. This is what happens. So you consolidate, you move up, take a breather. I have an indicator called the Midas Top Finder. Has a target termination price somewhere around $90,000 to $100,000. $90,000 to $100,000 per coin. So have to see how that plays out.
Yes, we will. Thanks, Jared. Appreciate it.